Hi everyone tuning into this video. I want to show you how to wash braids. These are rolling braids. I'm showing you how to wash them. Sometimes they may be itchy or dusty or there is dandruff in your head. Don't remove your braids. You can just wash them and maintain them very well. This is the proper way of washing braids. Any type of braids you have in you, on your head, this is how they wash them. Here we go. We are first wetting it before applying shampoo. Remember, you're washing both the strands and the scalp. This is our hair shampoo. We first put it into the palms and then we spread it all over the hair, both on the strands and on the scalp, before we start scratching. Take a note, when you're washing these braids, you don't have to pull them, because here doesn't need to be stressed. The scalp doesn't need to be stressed. So after applying, I'm going to first wash the scalp first. I'm going to scratch in this form. Remember to communicate with your client to tell you where she feels more itching, so that you scratch there. Communication is a vital thing. Madam Lund. Okay. This is how I scratch. Let's first wash out this foam and you apply shampoo the second time. You can apply as many as 3 times or 4, but normally it's always 2 times. 2 times are enough for someone to be clean. Depends on the state of the hair. If it's too dirty or too dusty, you can apply shampoo for 3 times or 2 or 3 or 4. But if it's not too dusty or dirty, 2 times are just enough. 2 times is the standard times. The standard times you must not go below. You can't apply once. There's no guarantee that if you apply once for hair shampoo and you wash out, that the hair is clean. So the guarantee is 2 times. So we are applying for the second time. Inakutanisika kuongezeka. Kwanza gara shampoo na sukari ikiwa inatoka huko. You first scratch the scalp very well before you come to the strands. takyasiiwa le Cynthia. Suko bere ka katono to gumye ko. Bere ka mtu.